In a realm where technology meets creativity, an extraordinary phenomenon has taken place. YouTube automation powered by the enigmatic force of artificial intelligence, AI. Did you know that over 500 hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube every minute? It's a staggering statistic that leaves creators scratching their heads, wondering how on earth they can keep up. That's where AI comes in, wielding its digital wizardry to revolutionize the YouTube landscape. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI can be a bit pricey, right? Well, worry not. In this very video, I'm going to unveil the secrets of creating an entire YouTube channel, from idea generation to script writing, voiceovers, and every single aspect of it, using the power of AI automation without spending much on AI tools. Let's start. All right, it's time to embark on our YouTube automation adventure, but wait, hold on a second. How on earth do we even come up with an idea for our channel? Don't worry, we won't need to dive into the depths of philosophy or spend countless nights pondering over niche ideas. Nope, we ChatGPT, the ultimate genie of YouTube niches. All you have to do is summon this virtual mastermind and ask for 30 faceless channel niches. This way we'll request our specific niche, and within moments a list of potential niches will be at our fingertips. For our channel, we've already set our sights on the fascinating world of psychology and personal development. Now on to the next step, creating the actual YouTube channel itself. Now you're about to bring your channel to life, starting with the all-important name, a captivating banner, a stunning logo, and an intriguing about section. We're going to ask ChatGPT for a little favor. Write me 20 creative channel names for a YouTube channel that explains the psychology and personal development. And just like that, our virtual buddy churns out a list of names that would excite your brain. Let's see what we've got here. Psych Savvy. Now that's a name that packs a punch. It's got that perfect blend of intrigue and expertise. So I head back over to my channel, click on Customize Channel, make sure I'm in the Customizations tab, and then proceed to the Basic Info section. I carefully type in the name Psych Savvy, adding a touch of mystery and curiosity to our channel's identity. And just like that, our channel starts taking shape. It's time for the next step. We've got our channel ID, and now it's time to bring our channel to life. So the next stop on our AI-powered adventure is the channel description. It's like the secret recipe that tantalizes viewers' curiosity and entices them to hit that subscribe button. To conjure up the perfect description, I turn to ChatGPT. I ask it to work its magic and provide me with a compelling YouTube channel description for a channel focused on psychology and personal development. And just like that, ChatGPT presents me with a description that encapsulates the essence of our channel. I excitedly copied and pasted it into the description section, and voila, our channel now has a tantalizing introduction that leaves viewers craving for more. All right, it's time to turn our attention to branding, and for that we need the dynamic duo of Canva and AI. I fire up Canva and search for the holy grail of YouTube banners. Can you believe it? Canva offers over 2,000 ideas to choose from. But I opt for a blank canvas, a creative playground where we can design our banner from scratch. I delve into the Elements section, searching for something that screams psychology. And there it is, a captivating image that captures the essence of our channel. With a few edits and tweaks, we transform it into a visually stunning banner that will make heads turn. Eventually, I clicked the download button and the banner was ready to adorn our channel's top. Now it's time for the piece de resistance, our channel logo, and this is where things get really interesting. I enter the magical realm of Canva's AI-powered apps. There I discover the magical text-to-image converter. Then I give it a command, generate a brain image with animation. Canva's AI presents us with 4 jaw-dropping options, each with its unique flair. I'm immediately drawn to the brain image, but it seems to be missing something. Aha, eyes, no worries. I turn to the Elements section and search for eyes to complete our brain's transformation into a captivating logo. Just like that, our brain becomes an emblem for our channel. It's quirky, it's captivating, and it's ready to catch viewers' attention. With a final click, I download our brain logo as a PNG, and our channel's visual identity is complete. Now we head back to our YouTube channel and eagerly click that upload button. With a few quick movements, I added the brain logo, the masterpiece we created on Canva, to our channel. With a satisfied grin, I hit that glorious publish button and eagerly clicked view channel to take a look at our masterpiece. Our channel is looking quite spiffy with its brainy logo and fancy banner. It's a mysterious blend of psychology and personal development, ready to capture the hearts and minds of our future viewers. But what's next, you may ask? It's time to generate our first video idea, of course. I turn to the ChatGPT again. I ask, Give me 5 topic ideas for a personality development channel. Like a magician, ChatGPT gives me 5 suggestions. Yes, the second topic. A truly intriguing topic, though its meaning escapes me. But fear not. I asked ChatGPT to weave its magic once again, this time requesting a 300-word script in an easy-to-understand yet entertaining list-based format, explaining our second topic. And just like that, ChatGPT sets the gears in motion. Our video script begins to take shape, a masterpiece in the making. Now it's time to give our script a voice. We journey to Google and search for the 11 Labs, a world where voices come to life. I click on the promised link, taking us to the realm of possibilities. In speech synthesis, I select the voice atom, a voice that will breathe life into our script. With bated breath, I copy the carefully crafted words from ChatGPT and paste them into the text box. With a touch of magic, I click Generate. Then 11 Labs begins its work, weaving its audio alchemy. And when it's done, the audio emerges from the depths, ready to serenade our viewers. We give it a listen, and if it pleases our ears, we hit that download button. Now the time has come for the most thrilling part of our YouTube automation journey. Now we head back to Canva. In the search bar, I type YouTube video. A treasure trove of templates appears, but we shall ignore them for now. We click the option that reads Create Blank YouTube Video, for we seek a canvas to paint our masterpiece. The first step is to find a fitting background for our video. I chose the same image we used before, our brainy creation. With a few clicks, I align it to perfection, but hold on, we must fine-tune its appearance. I navigate to the Edit Image option, and a whole new world of adjustments awaits there. Brightness, saturation, and even a touch of a blur. I manipulate them all to craft an even more captivating backdrop. Now, our video needs a protagonist, a renowned figure to unravel the mysteries of psychology. And who better to take the stage than the iconic philosopher himself? I delve into the vast knowledge of Google to gather a visual impression of Plato, the master of wisdom. With a rough idea of Plato's appearance in mind, it's time to let Canva's extraordinary AI take over. I enter the realm of Canva's text-to-image AI and type in the name Plato, followed by philosopher, allowing the AI to comprehend our intent. Canva's AI presents us with intriguing possibilities, each carrying a unique charm. But one catches our eye, a perfect blend of Platic wisdom and enigmatic allure. With a triumphant smile, we download it in all its PNG glory. And now it's time to reintroduce our philosophical companion into the heart of our video. We return to the realm of Canva, clicking on Upload. The image, carefully crafted and devoid of background distractions, takes its place on the screen, ready to captivate our viewers. With a swift touch, we position our enlightened figure, ensuring he commands attention. And what's in a name, you may ask? Well, everything. We proudly display Plato in uppercase letters, adding a touch of elegance to our masterpiece. Now I download our creation, not as an MP4, but as a PNG, for there's still more magic to unfold. Now you must be wondering, where's the voiceover? Where are the texts? This seems incomplete. Fear not, for the pouring part is complete. The time has come for our enlightened figure to speak, enlighten, and entertain. We've already ventured into the realms of image selection and character creation. But now we embark on the most exhilarating part, making the character speak and captivating our audience like never before. To start this incredible process, we turn our gaze toward Google, a quick search for text-to-speech. Look, this one catches our attention. On this page, we have 2 options. We can either try it now or log in if we already have an account. But trust me, the wonders that await us are worth a single click. So we press the button that says Create Video. Now the time has come to add our character. We click Add and select the image we crafted in Canva. There it is, our masterpiece, ready to take center stage. But what's a talking character without a voice? Fear not, for our companion shall speak with eloquence and charm. We turn to 11 Labs and select the audio we generated earlier. With the image and audio in place, we prepare for the climax of our YouTube automation adventure. Then we click Generate Video. Now I know your minds are spinning with questions. What happened? What did it do? Fear not, for the magic is about to unfold before your very eyes. Our character, animated and vibrant, recites the words we scripted using the 11 Labs. Can you believe it? Our creation has come to life. I can see the excitement in your eyes, but hold on tight, we're not done yet. The final piece of the puzzle awaits, the text that will be read, our script. But don't worry, we won't slave away manually. Now we have something far more magical in store. It's time to dive back into Google once again. This time we seek the video subtitle generator VidIO. There it is. We click on the chosen one. Within this workspace, we upload the video we just downloaded. With the video in place, we delve into the subtitles. Auto subtitles, to be precise. With a simple click and the words materialize, aligning perfectly with our character's speech. But we're not done yet. We have the style to consider. We select the reveal effect and the captivating text style of Enter.
A touch of shadow and black adds a hint of mystique to our creation. And guess what? We decide to go all uppercase. It's bold. Our video is shaping up splendidly. Now we hit play and watch our masterpiece come to life. But hold on tight, for there's still one more surprise in store. With the final adjustments complete, it's time to bring this extraordinary journey to a close. With our video in hand, it's time to return to the grounds of our YouTube channel. With a swift click, we hit create and eagerly selected upload video. As we upload our video, watch closely. YouTube begins processing our creation, but wait, there's more to be done. Titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and tags, crucial elements that will captivate the masses. Once again, we turn to ChatGPT, the wizard of words. We implore it, write a 60-character title for a click-worthy YouTube video about and fill in the essence of our creation. With our title secured, we now seek the power of tags. We summon ChatGPT once more, requesting its wisdom in the realm of keywords. Give me a total of 500 character keywords to get views on a YouTube video with the title. And there it is, our golden ticket to views and fame. The stage is set, but what's a captivating video without an intriguing description? We ask, give me a short description for a YouTube video titled, and here it is. With each piece falling into place, there's only one final touch, a thumbnail. Enter Canva, where imaginations soar and creativity knows no bounds. In the blink of an eye, our masterpiece is born. And now, the time has come. We hit that button, publish. Our YouTube channel transforms before our eyes, a testament to the incredible power of AI. And there you have it, the mesmerizing tale of YouTube automation with the help of AI. Now it's your turn to join the adventure. Are you ready to unleash technology's power and create captivating content? Will you dive into the world of AI-driven creativity? What stories will you share with the world? I'm dying to know. Leave a comment below and let's continue this conversation. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and together we can shape the future of YouTube. Stay curious, stay bold, and until next time, keep those cameras rolling.